Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are studying well. So children, now that we have seen English, we've studied about history, we've studied about geography, we've studied about plants, animals. Now it's time to rack your brains by doing some study about maths. Isn't it interesting? You must be learning it in your school. Now let's test your knowledge and see how many math words you know through this chapter. Alright? So, write terms with the help of description given, okay? The first one, what do you call the horizontal axis? You know a graph, there are x-axis and y-axis. So, what do you call the horizontal axis? Yes, that's right, it is the x-axis. And the vertical axis is the y-axis. Alright. The shortest distance between the base of a geometric figure and its top is known as the height. Okay. So, in that figure, when you go from the base to the top, it shows the height. Okay. All in a row means all in a line. Okay. What children take on a number line? What do you measure on a number line? You take jumps. Okay. The next one, a pair of marks used to enclose words or mathematical figures. What are these marks called? They are called the brackets. We enter details inside the bracket and we use them to calculate. Okay. The antonym for a positive number is negative number. Alright. A shape having 3 sides and 3 angles is called a triangle. Next. Members of the set of positive integers and 0. They are all whole numbers. A number which indicates a quantity that is larger than any real number. It is known as infinity. So, quantity is larger, keeps on going and going and going. That is infinity. Okay. The act or process of turning around a center or an axis like the earth does each day. What is it called? It is called rotation. And based on the rotation, we have our days and nights. Alright, now a 3D shape that has 2 faces that are the same shape and all other faces are rectangles. Newton saw the 7 colors through one of them. That is known as the prism. Okay, now not even, something that does not fit in. If it is not even, then what is it? It is odd. Alright, straight up and down means vertical. The number which is also called knot or zilch, a duck in cricket, something that was discovered in India by Aryabhat, and that is 0. Yes, it was invented in our very own country, Bharat. The number 1 raised to the power of 100, written as 1 followed by 100 zeros, is known as Google. Okay. Any of the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 used to write numbers, also a word for a finger, a thumb or toe, are known as digit. Okay. So, the fingers which are there on our feet, we call them digits. Alright. A numerical quantity that is not a whole number. If it is not a whole number, then it is a fraction. Next, a mathematical shape that is also the name of a bird of prey. What is it? It's a shape of kite. Okay. There are how many? It is like a shape of kite. You know, see, it's a mathematical shape. Distance covered per unit of time. It is known as speed. A branch of mathematics in which symbols, usually letters of the alphabet, represent numbers. It is algebra. I'm sure you all must be learning it. Algebra and geometry. Yes. A line segment between 2 points on a given curve, also a set of musical notes sounded together, is known as chord. Okay. A stretch circle and oval. It is a ellipse. Okay. It is oval. It's like a stretched circle. Okay. Next, another word for average that is also a synonym for unkind, Okay, it is mean. Okay. A rectangular area surrounded on all four sides by buildings is known as a quadrangle. And innumerable, also a type of noun, is known as uncountable. Alright. So children, do you know algebra has been developed over thousands of years in several different countries. The earliest methods of solving mathematical problems with one or more unknown quantities come from Egypt. So it has come actually from Egypt. Okay. So the word algebra itself is derived from the title of mathematician Al-Khwarizmi's 9th century book, Hidab al-Zabr wal Muqabla. So when we do algebra, have you ever thought that this is how it was discovered? Okay, so now you know, and you must share this knowledge with others as well. I hope your knowledge of math is good and you were able to answer all these without my help. Great. So children, do practice more and more such words and do share all the information that you've got through GK with your friends and family too. So quickly finish this exercise if you haven't done it yet.